Alright, YouTube, as you remember just a second ago, I made this video of me shooting this bird with the Crosman Storm XP. Okay. And then just a second later, another one comes over here. And I dropped that one too. So I got two of them in under, I don't know, a minute. That was crazy, and they're still all around me. I think they're planting attacks so they can jump me or something. Anyway, so I got that one right here. I'll show you them again. And I'll show you the gun. I got that one. It blew that one in pieces, made a really loud thud when I hit that one. And then I hit this one. And I'll show you the gun. But anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. And see you guys later. Peace.